Hello and welcome back to the Daily Transmission. Today we're going to be showing you how to hold down 30-year-old plastic using modern day 3D printed parts. If you own a VW T3 or T25 as it's known in the UK, you may know that the dash clock assembly on top of your dashboard is either wobbly or not secured down very well. That is because the 30-year-old plastic, as you can see by this example, just gets brittle and cracks the moment you put any sort of pressure on it. Now, in the past, you have had to maybe put some washers in there, maybe some metal tabs in order to hold that dash down. But what we've got now is a solution that has been designed by Uniworks in America. And they are in the form of these tabs. Now, they're distributed in the UK by campervanculture.com, and we'll leave a link below. And basically, these little 3D printed tabs are absolutely perfect for slotting into the dash clocks just here. And what they will do is, using the original screw holes and mounts on your metal dashboard, will, once the screws put in, is hold that dash clock down onto the dash as if your dash plastics were never broken. So why don't we move over to the van we've got just over there and show you how they're fitted. So the dash in this particular van then has got all 4 screws in place, but it looks like that. So what I'm going to do is unscrew the factory screw. You can see someone's already used some washers down there to try and hold it down. And all it is we're going to slot that Uniworks dash tab into place, pop the screw in, and there we go. That's in place. I'm going to do the same to the other 3, and then that's it. I've worked on countless numbers of T3s or T25s whilst doing this job, and I've maybe seen 1 or 2 that haven't got cracked dash plastics. So there you go, you've got a really simple solution to help you secure your dash. Thanks very much, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much for watching this episode of the Daily Transmission. Please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future episodes. If you'd like to check out the playlist for this series or any other, please head down to the description where you will find a link. If you'd like to support Combe Valley Campers, head over to our website at www.combevalleycampers.co.uk, where you will find links to our web store and our Patreon page. Please follow us in between episodes at our Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Thanks very much. Bye bye.